In this video, I want to talk about sales documents in HubSpot. It's a really underrated feature and I've seen plenty of accounts that are not making good use of it. So I want to show you what sales documents are, how you can use them, and what the advantages of using them actually. So let's share my screen and we'll dive right into it. Let's first look at an example here. So this, for example, is my services guide, and this is exactly how people will see it, except for this banner, of course, when you send them a sales document. So they will have the option to hide that sidebar. They would have the option to share the document as well when this was a real link. They have the option to download it as a PDF. And they also have the option here to see, well, first of all, they see the avatar of the person that sent it to them. And when they click it, they will be able to email that person. And they will be able to schedule a meeting. So when they click Let's Meet, for example, meeting link right here. Makes it really easy to get that next meeting. Anyway, so it's easy to navigate. So you can just click through it, or you can use your arrows on your keyboards. And you will also be able to see the different pages that somebody looked at within the document and how long they stayed on those pages. But more on analytics later in this video. Let's first have a look at how you use sales documents because it's incredibly easy. So let's go to my HubSpot Excellence account here. And as you can see, we're in documents here. We have the ability to add 5,000 documents since this is an enterprise account. But even within a starter account, you will have plenty of documents that you can add here. You can select the owner of the documents if you want to, for example, if you want to see just the documents that you uploaded here. You can create folders to keep it organized. So for example, I created a folder for hospitality and then I added a hospitality brochure here as an example. And if you want to add new documents, you just click on upload. You have the different options here, so you can upload it from your computer, look at existing files within HubSpot, or get it straight from Dropbox, Google Drive, or Box. Now, once you uploaded that document, it will be added here, where you also have the option to add a description to the document as well. So as you can see, this document does not have a description yet. So let's have a look here. Yeah, so the description is missing for this one. You can also update the title if you want. So I just like to keep it nice and simple and clean, also important. Hospitality solutions.pdf. Then the missing description here, you can add that using AI or you can just write one yourself. Let's see what AI can come up with here just for funsies. I think it's actually pretty accurate. So let's just save it. We'll leave it at that. You do have the option to turn on data privacy. So that's for GDPR, for example. Then you have the option to look at a preview. So that is what we were looking at before as well. Here you can see in this account, I haven't added a logo yet. So you want to make sure that your account is properly set up so that you have a nice logo here. Then you can also re-upload the document, basically when you need to add a new version, and that will also automatically update any links that have already been sent out. You can create a link here if you want to send it to someone and you just want to create that link here right away, but I'll show you another way that's way easier in just a moment, right after you like this video and subscribe to the channel to be on your way to HubSpot Excellence. And here we would also be able to see the visitors of this document. I'll also show you a preview of that in a moment. And then some basic data here, the number of links that have been created, the visitors that we had on this document, and how many views we had on this document. So now what is an easy way to share these documents? Let's go to a contact here. Let's say we want to send Mr. Logan an email and I want to share that document with him. As you can see, this is still from a previous video, so I'll just remove the link so I can show you how you can easily add a document to an email. So here I already have my text. Click here to view and download our hospitality brochure. Then at the top here you can see documents. So we just click on that. We see our hospitality solutions. We select it. That's now added within that email, and it has automatically created a unique link so that we can track when Mr. Logan Roy opens this document, and if he looks at it within the browser, we will also be able to see which pages he's most interested in. which might be interesting information for the sales rep as soon as they have their next meeting with Logan. So that is how you can share that document. Now I quickly want to show you how it looks as for like the analytics. Since I'm in a demo account, I do not have any data there. So I'm working from a screenshot here. And here you can see a little bit more data on what it could look like in your account. So you can see again the number of links created, visitors and views. But then here you can also see the specific visitors, and when we have the data available, you see that these are clickable. So you could click on Mike, immediately go to his contact profile in HubSpot and see what Mike has been up to lately. If somebody looks at the document that was not identifiable, it will just show up as someone. So that is how easy it is to use sales documents within HubSpot. If you like this video, I'm really sure that you would like the video on templates as well, because that makes your sales emails so much easier. I'll link it right up here. And until the next video for more HubSpot excellence. Bye.